Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2011 XL1200N 1200 Sportster Nightster in color Vivid Black. The 1200cc engine and a 5-speed transmission. The Sportster seat, sissy bar, and luggage rack. Previous owner installed a custom Harley-Davidson derby cover and some Screamin' Eagle pipes. We'll listen to those in a second. With 48,092 miles. Let's listen to those pipes. They're really loud. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.